Today we're going to go over how to set up rental rates and also your rental data. This is a two-step process, and the rental rates will deal with setting up the rates per day or per week for this property, and then the rental data is going to deal with items like how you take your payments by credit card, what percentage you want down in the beginning, your tax rates, your minimum daily settings, all the data that you would have during a booking. It can also be set by season and by date range, and we'll go over that here as well. First thing we're going to do is set up some rental rates to show you how these are tied together. We're going to go ahead and pick 2017 to set up, and we're going to set this up as a daily schedule, a new schedule, and we're going to pick a daily calendar. And so this is going to be our default, so we're going to set it up for $250 each night for every night in 2017. And then we can also edit that if we have different rates for the weekends, different seasonal rates, which most people do. You can use this tool to then change that yearly from the 250 default to whatever you need. So if 6 months or more, maybe your weekdays are less than your weekends, you can change those daily rates here. So then you need to set up your rental data. And then all you have to do is click the rental data link, click OK, and now you're going to be able to edit your rental data. This is going to populate the rental data from now till and through 2017. So I'm going to use this tool here and select all the dates, and I'm going to change all the data at one time. Once that selection is made, I can click Edit My Data. But I also have the ability to do date ranges. So if I wanted to maybe have some holiday settings, and maybe my minimum night settings is higher during certain times of the year, I can select those dates here and make those changes individually. But for this example, we're going to change all of our data at one time. So I click Edit My Data after I selected the dates I want to edit. And let's say I'm going to change my 5-day minimum to now 7. And I'm going to add a management fee. And I'm going to add that right here. My taxes are set. My check-in and checkout times are set. This is also where you set your number of payments. You can also select a payment to be made by a dollar amount for the booking or by a percentage for your first payment. That's up to you. And then you can also select if you're taking a credit card for your first and or second payments or a check. All you have to do is then select Save, and now your data has been changed. This is very flexible, and you can remember you can come in here and select date ranges and be specific on how you want your payments made and what percentages you want down, and also specifically your minimum number of nights. We hope this helps you run your business, and good luck with your rent.